Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop sharing your iPhone's location. So if you don't want friends or family tracking where you are, just follow along step by step to turn it off. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your Apple ID, that's your name. Now scroll down and tap on Find My. Inside here, you'll see the option called Share My Location. Simply turn that off. Once you do that, your location will no longer be shared through the Find My app or the Messages app. Now, one important thing, people won't get notified when you turn this off, but if they try to check your location, they'll just see a Location Not Available message. If you don't want to stop sharing with everyone and only want to hide your location from one specific person, you can do that too. Open the Find My app, tap on the People tab, and select the person's name. Then scroll down and tap Stop Sharing My Location. And that's it. That's how you quickly stop sharing your location on your iPhone.